1948 Ford Super Deluxe two-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Flathead V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Shifter on the column. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front, headlight surrounds, hood ornaments. Now, as far as the paint, you can see the fender, hood, paint has a nice shine to it. There's some spots in the car I'm going to point out that does have some imperfections, but first, let me tell you where to check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on newer Coker wide white wall radials. Those are late 22, 23 production dates on those tires, date coded. As you can see, the steel wheels, beauty rings, cool old school hot rod look on those wheels, obviously. And you could also see up and down this passenger side, nice reflection in that paint. And again, fenders, passenger side, hood looks good. Now, on the roof, I have noticed it has some kind of pimpling going on, if you can see that. Kind of goes through the rear and down the back of it, and it's mostly on the roof and the deck lid. So I want to make you aware of that. It's one of those cars, take it to the next level, do a little paint work with that roof, or drive it, have some fun the way it is. The interior is beautiful in this car. We're going to get around to the driver's side, check that out in just a bit. Start it up, let you hear it run, thing runs smooth. There's also going to be some extra parts or accessories, if you will, that'll go with it. We got a couple bumper guards, rear view mirrors for side doors, some extra wheel covers if you want to go a little different look on the wheels, a little extra gauge cluster. And you'll be able to look at those all in the still pictures also. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, dual exhaust, chrome in the rear bumper and bright work, looks good. Again, kind of showing you a few spots where that pimpling has occurred. And again, more so the roof and that trunk lid, if you will. Look at the driver's side. Again, back of that nice reflection in the paint. And those still pictures, take your time looking through them. Underside, interior, engine bay, every angle of this car, interior, front and back seats, dash, UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, look at the reflection in that paint on the driver's side, same as the passenger. If you like these old Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Sometimes they're street rotted, sometimes they're stock. You just never know. When the videos are uploaded, and that's done daily, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And look at this interior. Like I said, very nice interior. Vinyl cloth combination and this nice, deep, rich-looking wine color. Fabric on the seats. Very nice seat belts intact up front. Take a look at the rear. So like I said, it's one of those cars, drive it the way it is. Maybe do a little paint work. Take it to the next level of that roof. Either way, it's going to be fun. This is a 12-volt system, electric wipers. We're going to fire it up. All right. Still seeing it. Kind of old school gauge cluster. Looking stock up on the dash, but there is some aftermarket gauges down below. There's actually a water temp gauge for each head. That's why there's one on the left and the right, and then the oil pressure gauge. Cool looking dash. How about that headliner? Headliner looks good. Put that seat belt back up on there. Let's listen. Old school flatty sound. Sounds good. Let's check out this engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around video. Stick around to the very end of the video. Yes, Jason will take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And here it is. You can also see oil filter set up on it. There's that flatty. Single carb up top. Purring right along. In 12 volt. Smooth runner. No doubt about that. Full air cleaner setup. One you can get in, turn the key, and go. Have some fun. 1948 Ford Super Deluxe two-door sedan. All those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1948 Ford Super Deluxe. Very nice looking car. Sleek black. Great looking interior as well. Some burgundy accents. This is a 3 on the tree manual transmission. Our turn signal indicator is working. That is the aftermarket add-on to the column. Nice rumble to this machine. Our wipers work as well. Nice thump coming out of that motor. The sound you want to hear, a little bit of grunt. Sounds great for an old V8 car like this. Our speedometer is working as it should. Now the factory gauges, they are showing me that the battery is charging a little above half, and the fuel gauge is at 3/4 of a tank. And then under the dash, there's some aftermarket gauges. Now the water temp gauge down there hasn't moved from 130, which is its lowest setting, so I can't vouch for that. The oil pressure though, showing 30 to 35 PSI, that's looking good. Clock equipped, matching that speedometer. That is counting the minutes. Beautiful thing. The styling of these cars. Would you call it Art Deco? Is that the era? I think maybe it is. 1948. Headliner looks redone and very nice. As well as the seats, carpet, the doors, bench seat in front and rear, very comfortable for the whole family. Yet it's a two-door. When cars were spacious, even when they were two doors, lots of headroom. The brakes feel good. This corners well. Cruising along effortlessly. Just a beautiful old car. Take a look at all the pictures of this 48 Ford Super Deluxe at uniqueclassiccars.com.